Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you a brief demo of how VetSnap works. VetSnap is a DEA-compliant digital control drug logging software that can be accessed from any computer, iPads and tablets, or even from your phone when you're on the go using our mobile apps. When you first sign up with VetSnap, you'll go through 3 onboarding training sessions with our customer success team to customize the VetSnap account to your practice's needs. This includes adding in your specific inventory items, as well as user logins, doctors, and signatures for everyone who will be accessing your account. When you're ready to begin logging, simply choose whichever inventory item you need to log for from the convenient drop-down list and hit the Add a Log Entry button. This will open VetSnap's guided log entries. These guided logs streamline the logging process for your team and are 75% faster than having to log by hand. It will timestamp the log for you, show your team which container is open and available, and as you are entering in your amount, it will auto-update the balance for you. No more having to do math on the go during a busy day. VetSnap is able to integrate in with many of the popular practice management softwares to pull over patient-client information as your team is logging. Your team can search by any one of these identifiers to pull that information over in a flash. Choose your doctor, add a small comment for reason for use, and lastly, add in your signature and associated PIN number to ensure accountability and increase security for your logbook. And that's it. That's all it takes to add a log entry in on the go with VetSnap. Once your logs have been created, they'll move over to the Reconcile tab and they'll sit in the pending section throughout the day. Every night, VetSnap is able to double-check your logbook against your invoices in your practice management software to alert you if there are any problems that need your attention. The pending section will auto-archive every single night, as long as each log finds its buddy in terms of a matching invoice. It will also sort log entries into 3 additional sections if it does find any problems it needs you to look at. Fix needed means your team logged in VetSnap and charged in your practice management software. However, details are not 100% match. Log entry without an invoice means your team logged in VetSnap, however, forgot to charge in your practice management software. Or the opposite, invoice without a log entry, meaning your team charged for it in your practice management software, but forgot to log for it in VetSnap. VetSnap's nightly auto-reconciliation makes reconciling a breeze for you and your team by identifying these problems before they can snowball and become major headaches for you in the future. The next section of your logbook is your Manage Inventory section. In this section, you're able to restock as you're getting new shipments of medication, manage your containers, which allows you to see everything opened, unopened, and finished, as well as finish containers when empty and adjust container balances to account for manufacturer overfill or hub loss. Record waste on a container level. If a bottle gets dropped and shattered or expires, you can account for it here. And lastly, you have your physical counts, showing you everything you have on hand at a glance, whether you're performing a regular monthly or quarterly count, or the DEA mandated biennial count. All this can be handled in your Manage Inventory section. Your VetSnap account also includes a reporting tab, where you can access your physical counts at a later time, view container status with VetSnap's container tracking, as well as create day-by-day accountability audit reports in the event of an inspection that can be printed out in seconds. If your state is one that requires PMP reporting, VetSnap has an additional opt-in feature, the PMP Assistant, which helps to automate this reporting process. VetSnap's PMP Assistant is able to pull over a majority of the additional patient-client information required for reporting from your practice management software as your team is logging and stores it in the PMP Assistant section here. You can view exactly what logs need to be reported, if there is any information that still needs to be added, or if your logs are ready for submission. Logs that are ready to be submitted can be bulk selected, hit our Generate File button, and create a downloadable file that simply needs to be uploaded on your state's PMP reporting website. This saves you 80 to 90% of the time that you would normally be spending having to manually enter this information on the PMP website. Lastly, you have a support tab in your VetSnap account to ensure you're always able to answer any questions you might have, as well as get in touch with your VetSnap team for additional support. This includes a full website of frequently asked questions with how-to videos and articles to teach your team how to do everything in VetSnap, a handy-dandy step-by-step tutorial, as well as email and live support links to get in touch with your VetSnap support team and solve any problems you might be having together. I hope you enjoyed this brief demo of how VetSnap works. If any questions have come up throughout this demo, be sure to let your sales specialist know. During your one-on-one Q&A meeting, they'll be able to dive deep into any of your additional questions, as well as show you any specific scenarios that you'd like to see with the VetSnap account. We look forward to helping you start your VetSnap journey soon.